Hello friends, my name is Yukas Kumar and you are watching the Island Plus Tech Zone. So today we will be discuss about signal. What is signal in Django? Okay, so what is signal and Django? So firstly definitions. So signal are used to perform any action on modification of a model instance. Okay, so like signal A modification in model instance, yeah, model and databases modifications, tables, yeah, object instance. Okay, so this is the signal. So signal basically real world like suppose a example, suppose two mem two members so waiting for the fight. Okay, so wait for the fighting that see that signal, wait for a signal. Okay, so like signal means one man up to a flag so that understand two fighter members, so this is the start fighting. Okay, then drop at the flag so the stop fight. Okay, so this is the signal means a particular task. Okay, so particular signal, then action a task. Okay, so this is a signal and real world, then similar to Django. Okay, so Django is the means suppose request. Okay, client side send a request, then views.py and views.py uh, like send it a post. Okay, so http post means insert a data. So firstly request and response handler like views.py, so this is the particular means save data. So this is the a signal save data and the quickly action the you are mentioned signal.py. Okay, so this is quickly action and the run signal.py code. Okay, so two similar works. Okay, so firstly views.py, then second signal.py, then similar work like modification data in databases. Okay, so this is a diagram like signal. What is a signal? So firstly, client a user. So send a request like HTTP method. So like post, put, delete. Okay. So this is the request, REST APIs. Then views.py. This is a Django application. This is Django applications. Then a views. Okay. So views is means request and response handler. So this is called a like created data. Okay. So two tables, suppose two tables in model, so two table like a tables in user like username and user mobile number. Okay, then second table like address, city, anything. So the connect the table, then firstly this is used like by default mobile number, yeah, by default address. Okay, so this is views.py. So inside the code execute like like suppose signal. So this is a signals like pre-save. Okay, pre-save means before save data. Okay, so before save data quick actions, then post save after save data the quick actions. And what action, how to action in Django application. So this is the mention the code signal dot py. Okay, so this is the signal.py and the data and db. So many modification in the db. Okay, so this is the signal. Okay, so show you like a show you a practical side. Okay, so practical side like this, create a project. Okay, Django project. So this is the create project, means name, signals, then create a app. This is the app. Then app, firstly create a model.py. Model.py is the two tables. Okay, user table and the user profile table. Okay, so uh, user profile table means city. Okay, city. So maximum length, then default value. Okay, so default value means default Jaipur. This the a string, only default string. Okay, then first modules, yeah, first tables like username and mobile number. Okay, so this is the models.py. Then and serializer, so JSON format and complex data side. Okay, then quick action, the signal. So signals action like this: user profile object that created user instance. Okay, so this is a quick action, the user profile. Okay, so you can means user and client said send a request, then quick action the signal.py. Okay, this is the modification and the databases. So this is only modification databases signals. Okay, so this is signal. Then normally url.py. So this is the URL like mention views.py. So student profile. Okay, so basically she show you this is the views.py. Okay, views.py mention the function based view. Okay, so this is the decorator API view get and post. So dev student profile name then request. Okay, so this is a, and if user okay, serializer dot data and user one-to-one relationships. Okay, if the post method the serializer data, then save. Okay, so save this to uh, your signals this uh, signal this post save. Okay, so after save is the create this object. Okay, so run it and show you this the profile. Oh, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so run server and run server. Then okay, so this is the URL endpoints, URLs. Okay, URL means register. Okay, so send it the request, post request. So like create a post request. I have already this mention. So okay, so username Suresh. So other username like Vicky. Then mobile number, change it the mobile number. Anything mobile number. Okay, this is the mobile number and send it. Okay, so only I have only request send and send the request data like username and mobile number. But save after. Okay, but save after that save. So this is the um, save methods. Okay, means a save databases. So after save, then quickly action. This is the method. Okay, so this method is create profile. So profile, user profile means this is the default value. So default like default. This is the default. Default means default Jaipur. This is the columns, okay, city columns. So already city columns mention quickly action mention. So show you 1 second. uh, this is the admin side. User admin. This is the Django admin. Okay, this is Django admin. So firstly user. So user is wiki, already wiki, but this now wiki. Okay, 3 ID. So wiki is the then mobile number. Then quickly automatic create the default. Okay, so default is the Jaipur. The 3 IDs, the Jaipur, the default already mentioned. So only action user, okay, user side, but but this is the method of signal. What method? This method pre-save, post-save, pre-delete, post-delete, pre-init and post-init. Means pre-save means like before save method, then after save. Okay, and before delete method and after delete, and uh, before init means migrate before, then after init, yeah, migrate and migration side. So this is the signals. Okay, uh, means flag up and down. Okay, so this is the signal. Okay, so for three of signals. So I hope you are understand like signals, and thank you so much.